Hello everyone! Today I want to show you one more Chanel dress. I've already told you that I love Chanel style. I showed you these magazines a couple of videos ago. Have a look at the waistbands which decorate these dresses. First I'll show you the dress on the dummy, and then I'll put it on a table to show you the wrong side. We sell different Chanel style fabrics in my fashion house. When I first saw this one, I decided that there was nothing special in it. Classic Chanel style fabric. We have it in two colors, this one and pink with yellow. When the tailors of my fashion house made this dress, I realized that I have to show it to you. The design is absolutely amazing. The collar is tiny. Let me measure it. Have a close look at the collar. It's very small, so it looks very elegant. Notice how it looks like when I zig the dress. Anyway, I'm pretty sure that a customer is going to wear the dress this way. The zipper is also very small. It ends a bit about the hips. There are two patch pockets on the front. Have a close look at this one. The pockets are pretty big. The girls match the patterns in the dress and the pockets, so they are hardly noticeable. The most interesting detail in this dress is the waistband and the fringe. The fabric for the dress was cut on a lengthwise grain, but it's impossible to make fringe of the fabric cut this way. These details were made of fabric cut on a crosswise grain. I want you to learn to love clothes with fringe. This fringe was made by hands, and I think that it looks absolutely amazing. Imagine how beautiful it will look like when a person will be walking. The sleeves are decorated the same way. The fabric itself looks just like any other Chanel fabric. There's nothing special in it. Once you make something of it, it looks absolutely amazing. I think that the most interesting detail in this dress is the waistband. When I put the dress on the table, I'll tell you how to make it. The waistband is decorated with these tiny metal rings. These are not white rings, these are tiny rings attached together. The waistband ends with the fringes, so it was cut on a crosswise grain. Once again, the dress itself was cut on a lengthwise grain, but the details with fringe were cut on a crosswise grain. I hope that you like the dress. I can't wait to put it on the table to show you how this dress was made. I want to draw your attention to the fabric once again. We didn't expect it to be that beautiful. We make a lot of Chanel style items in my fashion house, but this one is absolutely gorgeous. I would love to show you this dress on the customer, but our customers don't agree to participate in my videos. Next, I'll put this dress on the table to show you the wrong side. The fabric is very soft to the touch. It's almost 100% natural. Let's move on to the table. Have a look here. I'll show you the dress, and I'll show you the fabric in the two colors. I will also tell you about the fringe. Golden threads are hardly seen in the fabric, but they make the fringe look absolutely amazing. The fringe is made of the same fabric. We didn't add anything to it. I've already showed you this magazine, and now I want to show you some designs once again. This is where we saw the fringe at the waistbands. You do not necessarily have to decorate with them with any small details. They will still look very beautiful. This dress is very similar to the one we made. The tailors of my fashion house loved the design, but decided to change it a bit and add some more details. Now I can finally tell you about the waistband. It was made of a 6 cm wide piece of fabric. The edges were stitched to the wrong side, and then fold it this way. After that, the two sides of the waistband were attached to each other by hands. Have a look at these tiny rings. They were attached to the waistband in groups. I think that there were about 10 rings in each group. Yes, I'm right. I love how they decorated the waistbands. I remind you that you can make fringe only of fabric cut on a crossways grain. The waistband looks absolutely amazing. It took a lot of time and hard work to make it. It took Chanel ideas, our ideas, and this gorgeous fabric to make this dress. I told you about the waistband, so I can move it aside. The dress itself was cut on a lengthwise grain, and the fringe on the crosswise grain. Don't be afraid of making big pockets. They are very stylish. I've already showed you the color. There is nothing special in it. The dress is lined with silk. This is how the bottom looks like from the wrong side. We had to cover the seam which attaches the fringe to the dress. This detail is covered with lining. It's not attached to the bottom. I don't like it when people attach lining to the bottom. I think that it's more comfortable this way. Have a look at the facing on the front. It was made for the dress to look good when it's unzipped. I love this dress, and I think that you'll manage to make it too. Let me show you this fabric in another color. Notice that there are also golden threads in this fabric. They are better seen on the wrong side. They make the dress look gorgeous. I love this Chanel style fabric. I think that the bold colors are very beautiful. I've already showed you how to make Chanel style dreams. Do you want me to show you how to make such waistband and fringe? If you do, please write in comments. I want to give you an advice. I used to buy every fabric I liked. Now I buy only those which I believe to be of a high quality. I'm tired of making clothes and throwing them away. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukštė Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.